keeping a pool open can lead to it gathering leaves, dry grass, and other debris from the wind. If you want to avoid cleaning the filters every week, covering the pool is a good option, though it can be a bit of a chore. That's where Covana comes in with its innovative lift-up pool cover. This clever device is supported by 4 strong legs and has a built-in hydraulic system. When lowered, the Covana keeps your pool safe from dust, dirt, and debris, making maintenance a breeze. But when you lift it up, it turns into a stunning tent that feels like something out of Arabian Nights. The ceiling is equipped with LED lights, perfect for setting a romantic mood for a cozy evening or creating a fun party vibe. Plus, the smart ceiling has curtains that you can pull down for extra privacy. Once you have everything set up, it's incredibly enjoyable to relax in the warm water, turning your pool area into a private oasis. Dilly is a self-driving delivery robot made by War Brothers, the creators of South Korea's popular food delivery app, Baemin. This smart robot is designed to bring food to your door all by itself, navigating sidewalks and even riding elevators without human help. Dilly is packed with advanced technology like LiDAR, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors to make sure it can move around safely. These sensors allow it to detect obstacles, read traffic lights, and follow detailed maps, so it always knows where it's going. Right now, Dilly is still in the testing phase. It's being used in pilot programs in a few locations across South Korea. But even though it's not fully launched yet, Dilly is showing a lot of promise. The idea is that once it's ready, it could change how food deliveries work completely. Imagine getting your food faster and more efficiently, with a robot making sure it arrives on time. The DJI Avata 2 is a groundbreaking drone that takes aerial technology to the next level. Equipped with advanced AI and cutting-edge features, it offers an impressive combination of autonomy, performance, and versatility. Whether you're capturing breathtaking aerial photos and videos, conducting surveillance, or involved in search and rescue missions, the Avata 2 is a true game-changer. Its swift movements, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and incredible stability make flying this drone both easy and exciting. With the Avata 2, you can push your creativity and explore the skies like never before. Designed for everyone, from professional filmmakers to adventurers and first responders, the DJI Avata 2 gives you the power to go beyond the ordinary. It's perfect for those who want to experience the thrill of flight while accomplishing incredible tasks with ease. Join the adventure as we explore the future of drone technology. Camping is all about reconnecting with nature, and you don't need a huge motorhome or fancy setup to do it. Alucab offers a practical and simple solution with their lightweight rooftop tents. One standout model is the LT50, weighing just 46 kilograms, but still spacious enough to comfortably sleep 2 people. This tent is designed to be mounted on your car's roof, and when folded, it doesn't affect your driving. You can hit speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour without a problem. One of the coolest features is the ladder, which is made for easy barefoot climbing, a thoughtful detail that adds to your comfort during those peaceful nights under the stars. What's great is that, despite its smart design and durability, the LT50 is surprisingly affordable. Priced at $2,980, it offers a simple, reliable, and comfortable camping experience. The Echo Spot is a discontinued smart speaker that came with a 2.5-inch circular display and a 1.4-inch speaker. It was first introduced in 2017, but was discontinued in 2019. Even though it didn't last long on the market, the Echo Spot offered a lot of features. Users could play music, control smart home devices, get news and weather updates, set alarms, and more, all in one device. One of the coolest things about the Echo Spot was its built-in camera. This feature allowed for video calls and let users check live feeds from security cameras. It was an excellent option for anyone who wanted a smart speaker that combined audio, video, and smart home control. Although you can't buy the Echo Spot anymore, it still stands out as a unique all-in-one smart speaker solution that many people appreciated for its versatility and convenience. It's a fun piece of tech history Raise your hand if you remember the classic movie, The Spy Who Loved Me from 1977. Its cool, stylish vibe still inspires people today, including French architect Jean-Michel Ducamp, who created the Athénée floating capsule. This incredible design looks like it's floating effortlessly above the waves. The 50 square meter model has everything you need for a relaxing getaway, featuring a cozy living room, a comfortable bedroom, and even a sunlit solarium where you can soak up the sun. It's also eco-friendly, powered by solar panels to minimize its impact on the environment. Plus, to ensure your comfort, the capsule comes with a balancing system that helps prevent seasickness, so you can unwind and enjoy the scenery. If you're dreaming of owning one of these stunning floating homes, you might need to embrace your inner super agent, as the price starts at around $3,850. The Apogee Power Suit is an exciting robotic exoskeleton designed to improve workplace safety and support worker health. This advanced suit can connect to different systems for monitoring data, analyzing performance, and offering remote support, making it a powerful tool for modern industries. By combining human intelligence with machine power, it enhances workers' abilities while still allowing them to move freely. The Asobu H2 audio insulated water bottle is a brilliant mix of technology, sports, and music, all in one smart product. Picture this: a 600 milliliter thermos that not only keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature, but also doubles as a charging case for your earphones. Thanks to its double wall insulation, this bottle can keep your drinks hot for up to 12 hours or refreshingly cold for a full 24 hours. So whether you're sipping hot coffee in the morning or cold water during a workout, this bottle does the job perfectly. But it's more than just a water bottle. Beezen's smart motorized roller shades are designed to make your life easier and more convenient. One of their best features is that you can control up to 15 blinds with just one remote, so adjusting your shades is a breeze. If you'd prefer to skip the remote, you can easily set schedules for your blinds using your smartphone. For those who like hands-free options, these shades work with voice commands and connect seamlessly to Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. They come with built-in batteries that can be charged in just 6 hours, providing power for up to 6 months. Not only are these shades convenient, Lucas takes incredible wildlife photos that even top photographers admire. He won the Sony World Photography Award in the wildlife category for good reason. One of his secrets? Getting close to animals without putting himself in danger, thanks to his invention, the Beetle Cam. The Beetle Cam is a remote-controlled, four-wheel drive gadget with a protective shell that hides a camera underneath. It's big enough to hold both a professional DSLR camera and a GoPro. What's even cooler is that Lucas can control the Beetle Cam from up to 500 meters away, and the camera moves both up and down, as well as side to side, to get the perfect angle. The best part? The Beetle Cam isn't just for Lucas. It's made on demand, so anyone who wants to capture amazing wildlife shots without the risk can get their hands on this unique tool. The BenQ GV50 projector is a dream come true for anyone who loves watching movies in bed. Its clever design lets it rotate 135 degrees vertically, making it super easy to project your favorite films right onto the ceiling. It's also designed with a sturdy base that sits securely on your bedside table, so you can adjust the screen to the perfect angle for everyone in bed. What's more, it has some cool features like a night shift mode that adjusts colors to reduce eye strain, and a ceiling cinema sound mode that enhances sound whether you're sitting up or lying down. You can stream movies and shows from popular platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney Plus, with a massive 120-inch screen, giving you that true cinema feel without leaving your bedroom. With a battery life of 150 minutes, you can easily enjoy a full-length movie before needing to charge it. The Bolden pipe catcher is a clever tool designed to remove objects like rocks or debris from pipes without the need to cut them. Instead of damaging the pipe, Finnish engineers came up with a better idea. The pipe catcher works like a snake with 3 powerful air-controlled claws. It slides into the pipe, finds the blockage, and grabs onto it. The claws are controlled by an air valve. When the valve is closed, the claws open up, and with a simple 90-degree turn, they close tightly to grip the object. The best part? This device is so strong that it can even move a car. It's a perfect solution for tackling those tough jobs where cutting the pipe isn't an option. With the pipe catcher, you can remove stubborn objects quickly and efficiently, saving both time and hassle. Whether it's a small piece of debris or something larger, the pipe catcher makes pipe cleaning easier and much more effective. Bridgestone's air-free tires, also known as airless tires, represent a groundbreaking innovation in tire technology. Unlike traditional tires that need air pressure to function, air-free tires are designed to completely eliminate the need for air. They are crafted from a special thermoplastic resin that is both strong and flexible. These unique tires feature a series of spokes that support the vehicle's weight, providing a cushioning effect similar to that of air-filled tires. This innovative design allows them to absorb shocks and impacts from the road, ensuring a comfortable and smooth ride for both drivers and passengers. The Burlak Drive may not be a blockbuster movie, but it's definitely a star when it comes to snowmobiles. Priced at just $1,392, this motorized snowmobile is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, especially those who love hunting or ice fishing. With its front-wheel drive, the Burlak Drive can zip along at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, getting you to your favorite spots quickly and easily. What makes it even better is its impressive towing capacity. It can pull up to 250 kilograms of gear, so you'll have no trouble bringing along everything you need. Powered by a 15-horsepower engine and equipped with a 50-centimeter wide track, it's built for stability and performance on snow-covered ground. For anyone seeking a budget-friendly, powerful snowmobile that doesn't compromise on features, the Burlak Drive is an excellent pick. The Cash Belt by Wazoo is a clever survival tool designed as a regular belt, ideal for carrying essential gear without needing a backpack. It features a 2-layer design with hidden compartments where you can store practical items such as a compass, whistle, safety pins, fishing line, paracord, a small flashlight, and even a ceramic knife. There's also space for money and a small water container, making it perfect for adventurers, hikers. You can make the most of collected rainwater to keep your garden flourishing by setting up a smart irrigation system with just a few key components. A great starting point is a digital timer that lets you control not only how long you water, but also the type of irrigation that suits your plants best. This handy timer even comes with a weekly schedule feature, allowing you to customize different watering settings for each day. If you're looking for something more straightforward, there are basic timers that work like a kitchen timer, enabling you to set watering times for up to 120 minutes. To ensure your plants receive water exactly where they need it, the same manufacturer provides adjustable sprinklers that can cover a range from 20 to 360 degrees. With these smart and user-friendly tools, you can easily manage your garden's water. Smartphones are more popular than ever, with foldable models alone selling around 8 million units in just 6 months of 2021. That year, total smartphone sales hit a whopping $274 billion. With so many people using smartphones, there's always a need for charging solutions. That's where compact and lightweight power banks come in. The power bank we're talking about here is perfect for both Android and iPhone users. It has a 3,000 milliamp hour capacity and is roughly the size of a credit card, making it super easy to carry. The Calibri book covering system is one of the fastest and easiest ways to protect your books. In just 30 seconds, it's ready to cover any book you need, whether it's an A4-sized textbook, a pocket-sized novel, a softcover, or even a hardcover. This system is super versatile and is already used by over 2,300 libraries, wrapping more than 3.7 million books worldwide. What makes Colibri really special is how simple it is to use. No need for scissors or glue. All you need is the digital display and a foot pedal, and you're good to go. It takes all the hassle out of covering books. Plus, Colibri cares about the environment. The I'm Green covers are made from eco-friendly polyethylene, which comes from sugarcane, and they're completely recyclable. So not only are you protecting your books, but you're also making a sustainable choice for the planet. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are robots designed to work with humans, not take their jobs. Unlike large industrial robots that handle tough tasks in separate areas, cobots are smaller, lighter, and much easier to use. Their main job is to help with repetitive or risky tasks, so humans can focus on more creative and challenging work that requires thinking and problem solving. By teaming up with robots, companies can increase productivity, improve worker safety, and make their operations more efficient. Cobots are already being used on assembly lines and even helping surgeons in operating rooms.